Get Real India story, and it comes from Mumbai. The death toll in Mumbai's killer billboard that collapsed yesterday after a dust storm has mounted now to 14, while 75 others have been left injured. A blame game has erupted in the midst of the elections there between the Congress and the BJP. The fact, though, is the owner of the agency that put up this killer hoarding is on the run. It's our Get Real India story.
A hoarding in Ghatkopar, built to be one of Asia's largest, feted by the Limca Book of Records, came down crashing as a dust storm lashed Mumbai on Monday evening. It fell on the nearby petrol pump, trapping scores of people waiting to refill fuel. Many are dead and many more are receiving treatment at hospitals. A few like Indra Kumar Kevat were lucky to escape unharmed. His truck is under the mangled remains of the hoardings.
गिरा तो मेरे गाड़ी के ऊपर गिरा। गाड़ी के ऊपर गिरने से जितने आदमी गाड़ी के आसपास थे वो तो बच गए। जो बाजू में था कितना नुकसान हुआ, अंधेरा सा हो गया, दिखा नहीं। पब्लिक को आवाज दिया कि भाई जिसको भी बचना है मेरे गाड़ी के पास आ जाओ। फिर उसके बाद मैं नीचे घसक के बाहर निकला रोड पे। 2-3 आदमी को मदद किया, रिक्शे में डाला, किसी का हाथ मतलब फ्रैक्चर, किसी का पैर फ्रैक्चर।
The Maharashtra government has announced 5 lakh rupees in aid for the families of the deceased. What is shocking is how the hoarding so large, now admitted to be illegal, went unnoticed by civic agencies.
This particular land actually belongs to the collector, but the government railway police, the GRP, was in possession of this land, and they were the ones, without the BMC permission, had given out these hoardings, permissions to these people, to the company, to put up these hoardings. So the BMC's permission was never taken. The size was too big. The regulations that are needed were not kept in mind.
महापालिकेची परवानगी म्हणजे परवाना घेण्यात आलेला नाही अशा सर्व होर्डिंगवरती कार्यवाही करण्याचा निर्णय घेतलेला आहे. मुख्यमंत्र्यांनी देखील त्या पद्धतीचे आदेश दिलेले आहेत आणि ती कारवाई आज आमची सुरू होती आहे.
A case of criminal negligence and culpable homicide not amounting to murder has been slapped against the owner of Ego Media Ad Agency, which put up the hoarding. He is also named as an accused in a rape case, and charge sheet has also been filed against him. In Bhide's election affidavit, which was filed in 2009, he listed 23 criminal cases against him. Sources tell India Today that Bhide's company has secured multiple railway and BMC contracts for hoardings and banners in the past decade. After the tragic incident in Ghatkopar, the BMC has started identifying illegal hoardings in Mumbai. 3 hoardings next to the one that collapsed have been identified as illegal. The BMC is preparing to remove them. As per BMC's data, it has issued permission to 1,025 hoardings, while Railways has issued permission to 179 hoardings in Mumbai. There are 1,204 licensed hoardings in all. This is not the first instance of apathy claiming lives in the maximum city. From Gokhale Bridge to Elphinstone to Ghatkopar, the civic agencies have let down the city many times. With Vidya in Mumbai, Bureau Report, India Today.